This is a clean bun. Making it isn't exactly fast, but it looks decent and gets the job done as a clean hairstyle. And this is the dual pencil bun. ये भी बहुत clean hairstyle है, ये भी तुम्हारे बालों में कोई भी bumps नहीं डालेगा. But more importantly, it solves the biggest problem of the clean bun, the mushroom effect. But what makes it stand out is that it just looks different, and I know that is true क्योंकि last 6 years से मैंने अपने बाल लंबे ही रखे हुए हैं. So I've tried pretty much every trick and every type of man bun out there. And lately, I've been wearing the pencil bun every single day for the last month or so. So let's quickly go through how you can make a super clean bun. Then I'll show you how you can make a dual pencil bun. And then as a bonus, I will also show you how to make a single pencil bun. Hey, I'm Samrat and I talk exclusively about men's hair and skin on this channel. And trust me, clean bun बनाना इतना तेज और आसान नहीं है जितना तुम्हें लगता है. If you want to make it properly. अगर तुम्हें अपने बालों को सिर्फ बांधना है, तो just gather your hair in a ponytail behind your head. उनको गोल गोल ट्विस्ट करके लपेट दो in a bun और उसको कैसे भी रोक दो using a rubber band. पर अगर तुम्हें सही से clean bun बनाना है, here's how to do it in 5 steps. First, make a middle part and comb your hair really well. A few drops of hair oil will help a lot. उससे तुम्हारे बाल frizzy नहीं दिखेंगे. Second, gather your hair in a ponytail behind your head at the ear level. Third, tie this ponytail with a rubber band. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट होने की नीड नहीं है, पर ध्यान रखना ये बहुत ज़्यादा लूज भी ना हो. Step 4, अब इस ponytail को ट्विस्ट करना है until it wraps around itself in a bun. And step 5, अब दूसरा रबर बैंड यूज करना इस बन को बांधने के लिए. Now, as clean as it looks, the mushroom effect is still a built-in problem. Thus, ये हेयर स्टाइल बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है, so it lacks any personality. So, I present to you the dual pencil bun. Clean है, fast है, easy है, तुम्हारे बन में mushroom effect भी नहीं डालेगा. And here's how to do it. Comb your hair and gather it behind your head in a ponytail. Clean bun की तरह ही बालों को twist करके गोल गोल लपेटना है until it forms a bun. Don't make this bun too tight, otherwise pencils को bun के अंदर push करने में problem आएगी. Now grab the bun with your left hand और अपने right hand से pencil को bun के अंदर push करना है in a waving motion. This is what will lock the bun in place. And go slow until you get a hang of it. अब सेम चीज करनी है दूसरी साइड से दूसरी पेंसिल के साथ. And you've got yourself a dual pencil bun. ये तुम्हारे बालों को खींचेगा नहीं, उनमें बम्प्स भी नहीं आएंगे और तुम्हारे बन में मशरूम इफेक्ट भी नहीं आएगा. And this is a major upgrade from the regular clean bun. पर अगर तुम्हारे पास एक ही पेंसिल है या तुम्हें कोई ऐसी हेयर स्टाइल चाहिए जो within seconds बन जाए, the single pencil bun should be your go-to hairstyle. Gather your hair in a ponytail. Place the pencil behind the ponytail pointing downwards. Now rotate this pencil clockwise to create a hair loop. And finally, flip the pencil and push it downwards to lock the hair in place. It looks fine, but the longer your hair is, the better it will look. Now, if you seriously want to take your hair to the next level, watch this tiny 10-minute after shower routine. Or if you want to see some other awesome man bun variations, watch this video next. पर जो भी चूज करो, एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना. I love you.